Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Makeup. In this video, I'm gonna make a quick review about this beautiful product from L'Oreal Professionnel. It's Absolut Repair Protein Gold with Quinoa Okay, I can read it. It's professional mask. Okay. So this is Series Expert. I got this. First of all, this one is very expensive. It's really expensive one, but I really wanted to give it a try because back then my hair was completely destroyed of the vaccine. I was trying to revive it again. I was just like so desperate to find something to give it the good thing, like feeling that my hair is a hair again. So I decided to give this one a try, and actually I am in love with this. So it's from L'Oreal. It's a hair product, but I really love this one. First of all, I have it from a while, but I didn't use it that much. I use it like once a month or something. As you can see, still have some of it in here. I don't use much of it because I have a short hair kind of now, but actually this one really add a lot of moisture, make my hair feels very good. I use it when I feel like my hair is completely damaged or very dull. I need something to revive my hair again. I use this one, and when I use it, I know it's really heavy, so I use it without I wash my hair with shampoo, okay, and then I use this, apply some of this on my hair and leave it for some time, and sometimes I use the heat cap for 25 minutes or 30 minutes. Really did a good job. Really do a good job when I use the heat cap, and then I rinse my hair very good underneath the warm water, because it's really heavy product, and I know every time I use this one my hair will look dull after the first wash, but after the second wash my hair looks very shiny, very healthy, and very beautiful. So far I love this product so much. As I said, I don't use it regularly. Anyway, I don't use it that much. I use it once a month, or when I really feel my hair needs something very strong to add some aliveness to my hair. I use this one. As I said, it's professional, like you use in the salon, so it's not like an everyday or every time washing your hair use. So I use it when I really need it, and I really recommend it. It's really nice, but it's really heavy on your hair. So if your hair, I guess if you have an oily hair, I don't think this one will go with you, but if you have kind of a normal hair like me or a dry hair, this one will go very well with it. So yeah, it's almost gone, but I guess I'm gonna buy it again. It's really expensive but really worth it. So that's it for this review. I really hope you like it, and of course, as usual, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and share the video with your friends if you like it. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram and Facebook. These links will be in the description box down below. Oops. Don't forget to hit the bell button so you have a notification every time I upload a new video on my channel. I'm gonna see you soon in my next video. I love you so much. Bye.